You're watching another episode of Kelly's Outdoor Adventures, the RV Drifters. Last week's video, we left Bears Ears National Monument. It's in the area of the Gooseneck State Park and the Monument Valley, Utah area. You know, there are postcard pictures that you could take all over the place. So if you missed that video, you should go back and check it out. We had to hit the road and we headed to Page, Arizona. It's a little bit lower altitude and also a little bit warmer temperatures. So we start this week's video with the drive to Page, Arizona. When Willie and Nilly are going down the road, we go a little bit slower than others. So this 2-hour drive took us about 2.5 hours, but the views did not disappoint. We got to Page, Arizona in the middle of the day. We made a supply stop at the local Walmart there and then headed across the Glen Canyon Dam. And before going to the campground, we went to a pilot truck stop first to dump our tanks and refill with water and get ready because we were going to boondock for the next couple of days. We're getting gas. We're whopper-drawed across the parking lot and we're filling up with water at a pilot. I probably could have made an entire video just out of this experience. This was the first for us to dump and get water at a truck stop. And it was pretty crowded and hard to maneuver. But most importantly, we were successful. Hive campground was just off of 89 as you went over the Glen Canyon Dam outside of Page, like half or 3/4 of a mile, but just past the dam. At Hive campground, it has a grand total of 8 spots, and you're $14 a night, but with the National Parks Pass, it's only $7 a night. So, and I think those 2 humps right there is what makes it Hive. I think you can see Lake Powell and the marina off in the distance. A lot of people use this park for day use and they park right in the camping spots. Don't understand that. Just uneducated people, I'm guessing. Anyway, there's Willie and Nilly. And let me get back here just a little bit further. We'll check out the sign. So it's obviously this is an unmanned spot. Glen Canyon Recreation Center, Hive Campground. Quiet hours are 10 p.m. to 6 a.m. $14 a night unless you're a senior access pass member, which we are. We've got the America the Beautiful. That's basically what she says. And there's a little can or the box that you put your $14 in, and somebody comes around and picks that up periodically. So I think there's a little bit of a park and some climbing over here. Looks like a lot of fun rock climbing. It's probably what all these day use people are here to go on up a little bit higher, and then you could probably have a really good view of Lake Powell from up there. But guys, $7 a night. Now, instead of the normal 14 days, this is a maximum of 3 consecutive nights of staying here. So I suppose you could say 3 days, leave, and then come back and do 3 more days. But $7 a night. So, you know, every now and then you gotta find these little gems and know where they're at. This is one outside of Page, Arizona. And I think it's another win. Give you guys a quick idea. See the cars down there? That is 89. So 89 runs out of Flagstaff, runs up to Page, crosses the Glen Canyon Dam. Well, it's
It's right beside it, but it's literally right beside the Glen Canyon Dam. And we're not even half or 3/4 of a mile from the bridge. And this is where we're at. And this is Beehive as National Campground. 8 sites. Okay, no camping beyond this point, hiking only. I swear that's the same people we just saw at the Monument Valley over in Utah this morning, or yesterday. Love it. Love it, love it, love it.
Around me.
Yeah, you can pick up a little bit of the... Yeah. All right. Let's just see how we do here. Whew. Okay. Cool. There's Debbie. That's about all the rock climbing I think I want to get in. I'm not going to do that. All right, let's head back down. As far as I'm going, wave your hands, I can't see you. Oh, there she is. Whew. Okay, time to head down and go eat dinner. Looks like this might be a little bit easier climb here. Look at the way that's layered there. Isn't that kind of cool looking? Oh, looks like Debbie's making her way out to the road. There's the trail. Comes out through there and over and comes right up here and goes right around that way. Very cool. We'll follow this trail down. All right, wow. Okay. Whew. Okay. Kind of makes you feel old. But yeah, there's the marked trail. They actually have it lined with some stone right there. Yeah, you can kind of see it. Going out across and then zigzags back, heads down to the parking lot. And Debbie went the other direction. I think the way I came up that wasn't on the trail is a little bit safer. This one's weird, jaggedy, but this is clearly on the trail, so I'm okay walking this, other than I think the way I came up off the trail was easier. All right, I still don't see Debbie anywhere down there. Not sure where she went. I'll make my way down to the road and look for her. There you go. I don't think I did the whole 1.5 miles. I think I got into it in the middle, but we made it.
Debbie and I finally found each other.
All right, we're packing up, heading out of Beehive Campground. We were in sight too. Nice little hike up there we did last night. So anyway, let's get things packed up and we'll be on the road. Okay. It's frosty. Things are a little cold. Time to head south.
So we were thinking about staying a couple nights in Page, but it still was too cold, so we needed to head further south.
Okay. Do you have, is it clear?
No, there's one more coming. We'll let him pass.
We're gonna drive down this audio.
It's 4 miles along the cliff.
It's okay, we're along a cliff.
Says the person who's not driving.
No, it's high. Why are you afraid?
Because at the bottom, it's one quick, fast stop.
And for those of you who know me, I don't do well driving in places where the edge of the road drops off hundreds of feet. This reminded me of the drive to Silverton, Colorado, along part of what they call the $1 Million Highway. And on that drive, I wasn't behind the wheel. I was the passenger.
The truck by itself, I believe.
Then we had to drive home from here.
Maybe it was a rental car.
Yeah, we brought the rental car up because we were staying at KYD cabin.
Runaway ramp in 3 miles. I
Don't.
think 3 miles is too damn late.
No, that's not. It's a beautiful drive.
If you like these kind of videos, please give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, subscribe to our channel. It's free. I think once we got down off that steep hill, we found a place to pull over and we opened up Nilly and made ourselves some lunch. I noticed the floor mat. I forgot to put it away when we left up at the Beehive Campground, and it rode right there for at least an hour and a half. And as we approached Flagstaff from the north, we could see the snow cap on top of Humphreys Peak. It was pretty cool. And we came down through Flagstaff and past the Oak Creek Canyon exit. And if you would, make sure you check out next week's video. We'll be in Verde Valley, we'll be in Cottonwood, we'll be in Sedona. We'll be on another adventure, doing what we do best, traveling willy-nilly style.
Stopping for lunch.
And until next time, cheers everybody.